Hello everyone and welcome to this stream. I am pretty new at streaming, so it would be great if you could just let me know that you can see the stream and that you can see the screen. It doesn't look like you can see the screen. You should be seeing a Dyson Sphere Program, but I'm guessing you're not. So give me just 1 second. It should be showing. Why is it not showing? What if I switch to display capture? Will it show then? No? If someone could tell me if they can see the Dyson Sphere Program, I'm guessing you can't. For whatever reason, I'm not entirely sure. It should be showing. Why is... I have 2 online, but none of them are showing the stream, which is weird. It should be this one. Okay. If someone is here, could you tell me if you can see my stream? Because I am not seeing anything. It looks like I'm streaming. At least in some places. No, not really. Okay. That is odd. Alright, you know what? We're going to change it. We're going to do like this. And now you should be able to see it. I hope. Anyone? This is very, very strange. Okay, here we go. Alright, I think we're there. Let me know if you're seeing the stream. Because we are certainly streaming. Yeah. It seems better now. So I hope I am streaming. Let me know if I'm not streaming, because that would suck. If you can see my stream, if you could please let me know, that would be great. But we are going to jump into a game. And if you don't know what the Dyson Sphere Program is, Dyson Sphere Program is basically interstellar factorio, I would say. So you're building a gigantic factory, but not only on one planet. You're traveling between planets and solar systems, building your factory so that you can build a Dyson Sphere. So we are gonna jump in here. The game came out today, a few hours ago, and it seems really awesome. I played for a couple of hours, just testing it out, and it feels absolutely amazing. So let's see. And it seems that I can't connect to the live chat, which is a little weird.
Welcome to the actual universe. You may find it's different from our homeland. Should you be able to adapt to the laws of physics in a short time, I am your advisor and will help you through this mission.
Seems I have a problem.
Everything here is yours. As one of COSMO and the pioneer of the Dyson Sphere Program, you will explore this cluster step by step. By using the resources here to construct the Dyson Sphere to provide energy for the center brain to maintain homeland, starting from scratch. I have chosen a designated planet for you to start the mission, which has necessary resources for initial development. Now please drive the space capsule to the planet.
Okay. Well, I guess we'll see what happens. This
now
is only
you are about to reach the
third
designated planet.
time I'm streaming, so maybe I screwed something up.
This is Icarus, a lightweight industrial mecha with powerful functionality. You can use the arrow keys or right-click on the destination to control its movement. In this mission, you will manipulate Icarus to travel beyond the stars and create miracles. You can use the same operation to collect resources, such as trees, gravel, etc. In the meantime, hold down Shift and right-click to give a series of commands.
I see.
You receive several items after recycling the space capsule. Click the inventory button in the lower right corner of the screen to open the cabin to view them.
Alright, I am just gonna real quick check if I can see the stream on my computer. Give me just 1 second.
You can hold down mouse middle button drag to rotate the angle of view, or slide the mouse wheel to zoom in and out. Yet you have not unlocked the construction menu, which will be done automatically when complete any technology research. Click the technology tree button at the bottom right of the screen to open the technology tree and activate a research.
It seems like it's working.
Yet you have not unlocked the construction menu, which will be done automatically when complete any technology research. Click the technology tree.
I'm not entirely sure though. Yeah, it must be working. Guys, if you can hear me, I would really appreciate it if you would let me know. It would help out a lot. Alright, so we are here on this planet. And we have iron right here. We have iron right here. We have iron right here. Where is our copper? We need copper as well. That is very important. So there's copper way up there. Wow. Is there no need closer copper? Doesn't seem like it. Okay. Well, then we're moving up that way. So, okay, so there's copper there, there's copper there, there's iron down here. Alright, well, let's start our researching. And look at this tech tree, man. Thank you, Renuka, for letting me know that you can hear me. That is much appreciated. So, look at this tech tree. It's insane. It is so huge. And this is just for, I mean, normal research. Then we have a whole different tech tree up here in the upgrades, where we can do upgrades to our robot up here and universal upgrades down here. So it's a massive tech tree. It's insane. But we're going to start down here at electromagnetism, and we're going to activate that research. Now we need some magnetic coils for that. And for that we need magnets, and we need then magnetic coils, and then we need copper ingots. And we don't have any of it really. So let's go get some of that. I'm not sure why we don't have any. We should have some. No. So we need to make some of these. Need to make 10 of those. And then we need to make nothing else really. So let's make those. And now we're researching. So basically we need to, I mean, you saw the universe, right? I mean, look at all, so many stars, everything, it's insane. So here we have electromagnetism.
In the planet view mode, you can hold down the middle mouse button, drag, rotate the angle of view, and hold down the right mouse button, drag to roll the angle of view. Press N key to point to the front to the North Pole.
Okay. All right,
Energy is required in all mecha activities.
Okay.
If it is depleted, the activities will be restricted. You can click the mecha panel button at the bottom right of the screen to open the mecha panel and resupply fuel into the fuel chamber.
That sounds good. So we need to
You have created a mining machine to achieve ore collecting automation.
grab some
Pick it up
stuff.
from the inventory, or select it on Gathering of Construction menu to build it. In the Planet View mode, slide the mouse wheel to enter the star map mode.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Poop. It has grown quite well. It has grown quite well, and welcome to the stream. So, we are going to automate mining of
You can
iron
use the
here.
R key to rotate the mining machine for covering more veins. The more veins covered, the faster the ores will be gathered. If you want to ignore grid snapping, try holding down the shift key.
Well, that's not what I wanted to do. I do want to build it, but not like that. But how do I rotate it? Oh, there. Alright, so we can get a pretty decent one in there. Picking up a lot of nodes. Alright, so, and then we need power. So power right now is solar, and we are out of power ourselves. So let's stick some power into us for
Wind
a bit
turbine.
of quicker
You have
recharging.
established your first power grid. Not all power facilities has its power supply area. Use the Tesla Tower to extend the area of the power grid.
Right, so now we are mining these iron nodes, and I mean, this game is so cool. It is freaking cool. And it came out in early access today, and it already feels really, really polished. It's wonderful. It really is wonderful. So we're mining iron now, and we have a bunch of iron ore here. We need to get the copper as well. So let's try and make a... So what do we need for that? We're missing circuit boards, which we need copper for. So let's run up here and get some copper. And we can jump. And we will be able to fly as well. Right, so here we go. Getting some copper. And we can start building this thing. Produce one of those. I'll just get a bit more copper. Alright. And we can stick these organic crystals in as fuel as well, because we don't need them. And the hydrogen fuel rods we can stick in as well. So we have a ton of fuel in our mecha right now. I'm not sure why they call it a mecha and not just a mech, but I don't really care because it's cool no matter what. Look at it. Look at it. That is one cool robot. And why I ran away from here, I'm not really sure, because we need to stick our mining machines down here. So let's see, where is the best spot? I think... Wouldn't that look good? Something like that looks good if we can get it. Right there. Getting all of those. Very nice. And then we need power for that as well. And for that we need another wind turbine, which we don't have. So let's see if we can make some wind turbines. We can. Let's make 5. And we'll make 5 Tesla towers as well, because we need to extend the range of our power here. And look at that, how long it'll take us to get to there, but that's okay. Now we need to research some more technology, and I think I want to start with a basic logistics system. So that will give us, if we take a look here, go back into the research, the basic logistics system will give us conveyor belts Mark 1, sorters Mark 1, and storage Mark 1, so chests basically. And we need those, we need them desperately. So yeah, we have a Tesla tower, but we don't have any... Now we do. So we can stick a wind turbine down here, and that'll power that thing up, which is good. Now we need to get back down here, and look at that, he flies over the water. It's so cool. I love it. I love it. Alright, so there we go. And let's see, what do we need to make? We need to make some gears. We need to make 10 gears. So let's do that. Let's actually produce 20. And then we need circuit boards, which we need 10 of. So let's produce that. 10 gives us 20 because we produce 2 of them. So that is all good. That is all good. Might as well grab this ore while we're here because we're gonna need it. And we now have the gears. So here we're researching manually. So we have the gears, 10 out of 10, but we don't have the circuit boards yet. But we will. We will. Alrighty. So our mech needs power. And if we take a look at our mech here, so we have 185 megajoules of power in our fuel chamber. Right now we're not really spending any because we're not doing anything. But we also have a battery down here, or core energy, which is how much we have stored up. So we have 100 megajoules and we have another 185 that we can burn. Close all these. So yeah, and now we're researching the next item here on the list, which is the conveyor belts and stuff like that. So I feel like there's really no point in researching assemblers and all the other stuff until we have the conveyor belts, because we just don't have any use for them until we have those, in my opinion. So there we have it. We have conveyor belts Mach 1, sorters Mach 1, and storage Mach 1. Very good.
You have received the sorter and the conveyor belt, which can achieve full automation now. Use the conveyor belt to transport the piled up ores from the mining machine, and the sorter can deliver the ores from the conveyor belt to the smelter for automatic smelting.
Thank you. So now we want automatic metallurgy so that we can do smelting. So let's activate this research. And we need magnetic coils and we need circuit boards for that. So let's take a look at that. So magnetic coils, let's produce 10 of those. We can do that. They need 2 magnets and a copper ingot. So the magnets take iron, the copper ingot takes copper. So that's being built now, and we can just hang on for a second while that is being built. And in the meantime, we can maybe make some conveyors here. Yes, we can, because we're going to need a lot of them. We're going to need some sorters as well. These are basically, if you've ever played Factorio, sorters are inserters, more or less. So there we go. We are researching the smelter. So let's start laying out some conveyors here. We don't have that many right now. We only have 20.
All you need to do is determine the starting point and the end point of it. In addition, use the up arrow key to lift up one level, and use the down arrow key to drop down one level after the conveyor belt is lifted. Press keypad 0 to reset the construction height of the conveyor belt to the ground. If you don't want the conveyor belt to be attached to the building, you can try holding down the shift key.
Okay, thank you very much. So yeah, I've heard all these instructions before. So the question is, because I mean, we have a lot of water on this planet, a lot of water, and I'm not really too fond of it. So we have our electric grid down here. So where do we want to build? I guess we'll build here for now, on these 2 bigger islands. It's not great. It's not great. We don't have a lot of space. We don't have a lot of space. Okay. Anyway. So I think we'll maybe change this up a little bit. Like that. I do want another, to have room for another miner over here though, so let's do this. Hopefully that's enough space. There we go. Right, so we have the iron coming out, and we'll put smelters up here. And these two iron patches can then help with the smelting if we ever need them. And then we have more. We have our copper, and I want that to come down in the same place really. So let's build you down there. Put you down there, and then come up. We don't have any more belts now, so let's see. Let's produce those. And we need some more iron. We need more copper. Yeah, let's get some more copper as well. Let's just grab that. And let's get these things built. So we have these little robots that are building everything for us. We're not doing it ourselves. We wouldn't be a super sexy robot if we had to do everything ourselves. So we have small robots doing it for us, which is nice. So let's make some more conveyors. Not there, there. And we need them to come up here once we get them. Come on, come on, come on. We need our conveyors. And as you can see, the robots actually drain power from us. So you want to be relatively close to where the robots are working, because they will drain your power from you, which sucks. But makes sense. So here comes some more, but now we are almost depleting our core energy here. So let's chop down some wood, because that will give us more energy. Come on. And there's nothing that I can do about the darkness. I mean, it's just the way the game is. And by the way, is the mute game volume too loud? I don't know. If it is, let me know and I'll adjust it for you, because I don't want you to go deaf. Alright, so we have a bit of stuff now, so we can stick that in our mecha and it'll charge up. That'll help a bit. Okay. Alright, so we have some more conveyor belts now, so let's get them going up here. Our robots will kindly build them for us, and I think we need to make some more actually. Yeah, we do. We do. We can't though. It's basically iron that we need, so let's grab some more iron and make some more. Okay. And we are already out of power again. That is insane. Let's leave construction mode and let's grab some more logs here, because we obviously need them. There's another one that we can grab. Alright. So power doesn't last that long, to be honest. It really doesn't last that long. Alright, let's build these things, guys. Come on. Now, why are we not getting anything out of you? Oh, it hasn't been built yet. Makes sense. So let's get it built. Come on, guys. This is a very, very slow start. I don't feel like my start when I was testing it out was this slow. I feel like it was a lot faster, actually. But yeah, it is what it is. We'll get there. We'll get there. We will get there. I promise. Alright, we're building. We are building. Yay! So we need...
The sorter is a transportation connector of cargoes between facilities. It will automatically transport them as long as the supply facility and the receiving facility are bridged.
So the miners, you stick the belts directly into them, or the belts come directly out of them, you might say. But all of the other machines that I have seen, you have to put sorters in so that you can connect them up. And that's fair enough. Fair enough. So the next thing we need is not that. We need basic assembling. So for that we need 10 circuit boards and 10 gears. Activate that. And we could make upgrades now as well. As you can see, it was blinking up there. So the first upgrade that we can make is the Mecha Core, which gives us an extra 40 millijoules of max core energy. So that's basically our battery getting bigger. But we don't need that right now. We need to get this going. So let's see. Can we make 10 of you? No, not even close. So we'll grab that. And I think we'll stay here for now. Because... Adiadius, it is very, very interesting. It is very, very interesting. I would say that it's probably one of the most interesting games I've seen since Factorio and Satisfactory. It's kind of in the spirit of those two games, and it delivers. I have to say, it delivers. It's really cool. So let's see, where are we? All right, we're almost there. Let's pick those things up, and let's just mine these stones out, because we are going to need stone. And they also give us a bit of other stuff, sometimes some titanium, some silicon. Not that much, but I mean, every little bit helps, right? Even though I don't know what we need silicon or titanium for yet. So we're researching our assemblers. We need to make smelters. So we have smelters here. We can build 4, so let's do that. Alright, basic assembling is researched. And in the beginning here, Icarus, our robot, is a little bit slow, in my opinion, but it'll get better. It'll get better as we move along. Alright, so smelting. And this will be both copper and iron smelting. We'll have one on each side. So let's see, how many can we make? We can make 5 more. Let's do that. And we have 7 smelters on us now. So let's go ahead and set up some iron smelting. 1, 2, 3.
You
4,
built a smelter,
5,
which can smelt basic materials,
6, I think.
such as iron ingots and copper ingots automatically. While you want to make the raw materials and products get in and out of it autonomously, you need to use sorters and conveyor belts.
Thank you very much for the information. So if we look at the conveyor belt here, it can transport 6 items a second, it says. I don't think that is entirely correct, but that's what we're working with for now. So let's extend this out, and we'll have iron smelting here, and we'll extend this out as well, and we'll have copper smelting on this side. How many smelters do we have left? 1. Wonderful. I want to exit construction mode. What do we need? We need iron, don't we? Yes, we do. And we are out of power again. Damn it. Alright, let's take care of our power situation. As you can see, I'm moving insanely slowly right now. It's actually a bit painful how slow we're moving. But it is what it is. So let's go grab some power here. Come on. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. There we go. Good boy. And we will stick that in there and that in there. We'll stick everything in there that can burn. Because we need that power. Alright. You know what? Let's just grab some more while we're here. There we have some oil. Crude oil seep. So yeah, we have tons of resources, and we have to travel to other planets to get them. We have to set up interplanetary and even interstellar production lines. It's so cool. It is so cool. Let's build some power here. That should do. Probably gonna have to stick a Tesla coil in here. There we go. And then like that. Alright. Good. So our smelters here, we want to do iron. And this is an inefficient way that I'm doing it.
You have done building the first power transmission facility, Tesla Tower. It can carry out short-distance wireless power transmission and expand the power supply area of the power grid. Click on it to view the current power grid information. After selecting the recipe, you can use the less than key to copy the recipe and the greater than key to paste the next building that needs to set the same recipe.
Yeah, thank you, I know. Come on guys, build the things. We want the things. There we go. Alright, so that is all of those making iron plates. Well, once we build those things. Alright, we have conveyors going all the way. They don't have power though, and that is because we need more. We need more power. So let's just build a little wind farm out here. So we'll do 1, 2, 3. That's all I have right now. But it's better than nothing, but they still don't have power. Are you not connected? You're not connected, that's why. So let's make some more of you. Use 5 of those. And I am running out of power again. Dang it. There's some trees right here, so let's just grab those. And hey, you pick that up too. Alrighty. And then I think we'll go quickly over here. Because here we have some coal. And we'll just tell you to pick up a bit of coal, because that's a bit more efficient. So let's get some coal. Let's just pick up 20 or something. It's not a big deal. It's not like it's gonna make us last forever, but it's better than nothing. It's better than nothing. Alright. So, did we get some... We got a Tesla coil there. Let's just stick a Tesla coil in there. And that will bring everything online. Except for you, of course. Alright, let's stick a Tesla coil in here. And we can take a look at our power here. So we're generating 1.5 megawatts, we're consuming 2.6. So we have nowhere near enough power going on. So let's get some more. Let's get some more. Let's just go over here. How close can we get with these? Like that. That. And just build a little wind farm here. Now we will, of course, that wasn't in the right spot. That was not in the right spot. We can, of course, get better means of generating power, which we will need. It's fine. So we are producing iron ingots here, and we need to get those iron ingots out. We need to get those iron ingots out. So let's put in a conveyor belt here, like that. And we need some more of the sorters. And we'll pull our iron ingots out here, and we'll stick them in a storage chest, which we can't make because we need iron ingots. But we can grab some here, and that should allow us to make some. Yeah, we can make 5. Let's just do that. And we'll grab some more iron ingots. Because we are gonna need them. Most definitely. Alright, so let's just make 10 of you. Let's make 20 of you. And do we have any chests yet or storage? Yes, we do. So let's stick storage down there.
You built a storage, which can be used to store cargo. You can manually store or use the sorter to automatically stock the cargo.
Okay, so now we have a storage container here, and we can have 30 stacks of iron ingots in that storage container, which I like. So that is all going. Now we need to get copper going as well, so we need more smelters. So let's stick those down. 6 of those. And of course we need these bad boys. Sorters for those as well. Okay. And again, I forgot to do it the easy way. But it is brand new to me, this game, so bear with me. Okay. And some more conveyors here, and that tower is gonna be in the way. So let's dismantle that, and we'll build it anew. Like that. Like that, I think. That should do it. Alright, let's take you down. So here we're definitely getting some titanium. Yeah, and some stone. Alright, let's just take down these guys. Now, much as in Factorio, I think you have to build and tear down, build and tear down, build and tear down. I don't think there's really any other way of doing it. I don't know for sure, but that's my feeling, that that's the way it works. And that's okay. I don't mind tearing stuff down if it's inefficient. So there we go. And oh, of course, sorters taking out our product as well. And out. So buildings. Let's just build 20 sorters. Now, what's the next thing that we're going to research? I think it'll be the Electromagnetic Matrix, because that will give us the Matrix Lab, which will allow us to automate research. And that seems like a good plan to me. That seems like a very good plan to me. Okay. So all of that is coming out and going in. Good. So these make how many a minute? 0? Right, if we take a look at the 60 a minute. So that's 1 a second. And these can move 6 a second, so this should be okay. No, it doesn't seem like it, does it? Because we only have that taking it out. So if we built a conveyor over like this, and then put a inserter there as well, then we should speed up the process, right? Yeah. Right, so this is probably not the way to do it. We basically want these to just go out. I didn't mean to delete that. So let's just get that you going out straight. And we'll send you over and going up next to it, I think. Like that. That seems like a good plan. Oh, we're missing 1 coil for the research. Let's see if we can't make that. Alright. There we go. Oh, we're missing all of them. Maybe. Who knows? Can we produce 10 again? Yes, we can. Alright, we're researching now. So if we pulled magnets off to the or off to the side and ran it up here, or just ran it along. You know what? Let's just run it along. Okay, thank you very much. That is our research facility, our Matrix Lab. Let's see. If we do this, and we go up a level, because you can stack. So let's do this. So that brings our ore along here. Let's just get rid of these. And we need more smelters. We need more smelters. So let's produce 5 of those. I don't know that we need 5, but it doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. So smelters, 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 there they are. And we could actually stick them in here. Let's do that. We built 2 of them for now. And we want them to make magnets. And then I want you to come out like this. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, so magnets will be made there. So we need some more of these bad boys. Oh no. They're there. What? Oh. That will go in there. Huh. That will not go in there, so let's delete. Ah! Let's delete you 2 again. Delete all of this. And we'll need to build our smelters up here. That's fine. No worries. We can do that. We are running out of... We're running out of belts. So let's make some more of those. We can make a decent amount. So you go in there. You go in there. You come out there. I'm sorry guys, I had to sneeze a couple of times there. You want to make magnets, and you want that going up there. Not sure I wanted to go that far, but it's fine for now. And you come up there. Alright. Now all we need is some power, which we don't have. So let's produce 5 of you and 10 of you. And that'll do. And in the meantime, we can go and grab a bit of fuel. Yeah, so let me know, guys. Have you been following Dyson Sphere Program? I think it looks like an absolutely amazing game. I think it's a beautiful game, and I can't wait to get into it for real. I mean, we're just starting, right? And as far as I understand, it's like tons and tons and tons of hours of gameplay that is available already on the first day of early access, which is just amazing to me. Ooh, we can just put one in there. We're gonna get the next one there. There. Next one there. So these are basically not powering anything directly, but they are producing a lot of power so that we can get our Tesla towers in here and power everything. And we do have one more wind turbine. Just build it there. Okay. So you are now making magnets, which means that we can now make magnetic coils. So let's try. I don't know if this is the way to do it. I have no idea, but I'm hoping it is. But I'm going to run these over here and make them a part of kind of a main bus. I don't know if I should be doing that, but that's what I'm doing. Okay. So we need assemblers, and we only have one. What does it take to make assemblers? Well, we can make quite a few. Let's make 8. Let's make 8 of those. That'll take a little while. That will take a little while. Alright, is there anything else we can do while we wait? You can see there's another planet. There's our sun. There's another planet over there, I think. Something over there. I guess 2.82 light years. I'm guessing that's another solar system. I'm guessing that's another solar system. And where's our factory? There it is. There it is. On this little planet. So cool. Alright, where are we? We have still only one. Well, that will have to do for a start. So what I'm aiming for is getting some of the components going. So right now we're going for the magnetic coils, and then we'll go for the gears and the circuit boards. So really we need a lot of assemblers. So you can, if you come in here and we just drag out this a little bit, you a little bit, and you a little bit. There we go. Then we can stick down a Tesla tower somewhere. Let's stick down a Tesla tower here and a Tesla tower here, extending our energy range. And we will make coils here, and another coil, and we want a box for it, and I think we'll just stick the box in here, to be honest, and stick in you there, and then we need these guys, and we need copper. So like that. That should get us making... Yes, we are. We are making magnetic coils. Nice. Alright. So the next research is gonna be, I think, improved logistics systems. Because we'll get a splitter and we'll get sorter Mark 2s. So let's activate that. We can't do it yet because we don't have any of these bad boys. And we need... I really want 6 of them. We can only produce 4 right now. We need magnetic coils, which we can easily get. So now we can build another 2. And there we go. We're producing 6 of those. In the meantime, we can set up some more production here. So I want to set up some gears. And for that we just need iron, so we can just do that, for now at least. And stick it in there. And we need another box. And here. Here. Like so. And we do have a Tesla coil. We do. Let's stick it up there, and we'll stick one there. Alright, so that's gears being made. Okay. And how are we doing on these guys? We have 5 of them so far. So I am thinking that we stick one there.
Matrix Lab. You can use it to make super matrices or research
stick one
technologies
there,
that require
and we can build these on top of
the
each other,
super matrices
which
are
basically
the source code of the center brain for maintaining the home world. You can upload as many super matrices to the center brain as possible. You can be benefit to unlock more actual world technologies by operating the home world simultaneously.
Thank you. Which basically works like adding modules in Factorio. It makes them faster. So for these guys, the electromagnetic matrix, we need coils, and we need circuits as well. Okay, but that's not a problem because we can make circuits right here. So let's just make circuits right here. 1, 2. And then we'll run some belt up this way. Up to here, I guess. And we'll stick in another storage. So we need that. We need copper. We need iron. And we need to get these out. And then we need to get them into that chest. And you will be making circuits. Okay. There we have circuits being made. Then we need to make some more sorters. And then, so the sorters, they work at 1.5 seconds per grid, 1.5 trip a second per grid. So they're not super fast, really. That's too long, so we will stick a small conveyor in here. You go there, you go there. That's those going. And we need these going. And we need to come up. And then I want to come down again. There. There we go. Alright, so our circuits are coming out. Our magnets, or magnetic coils, I guess it is, right? Magnetic coils are coming out. And then we can just direct feed those into there. And we'll tell you to do science, not make the electromagnetic matrices. So we're making the that's hard to say, electromagnetic matrices in this stack, and we're feeding it over into this stack and producing science, and we are now researching. But I am guessing that we are way low on power, aren't we? Yeah, we are. Alrighty, Let's make all 8 of those. Okay. Here they come. Let's just start building some more power for us. Because we're obviously gonna need it. Okay. We have more. We have one more. Alright, let's stick you there. Alright, and we are running low on energy. Let's see. Let's give you some of that to burn. That will help power us up a little bit. Let's run up here and grab some. Actually, do we have more miners? We don't. I can't produce one. So let's just grab the stuff that we need to produce one. We need iron ingots, circuit boards, and gears. So we have some gears here. We have some circuit boards here. Not that many though. Might actually need to add to this production of circuit boards. I think we do. I think we do. So let's quickly do that. Do that. Okay, that's some more circuit boards going. Yep. Alrighty. So what else did we need for another miner? Some ingots, which we have in here. So that should enable us. Let's just build 3 miners for now. Oh, I built 1 extra matrix lab. I didn't need that. I did not need that. Alright. Well, do we have any smelters? We have 3 smelters. We have a splitter. We have some Mach 2 sorters. What do we need for Mach 2 sorters? We need electric motors and sorters Mach 1. We can't even make electric motors yet. So there's that. What do we need to make electric motors? Electromagnetic drive. Electric motor. Alright, let's activate that. And you can see we immediately start researching because we are producing the blocks for it. Should have maybe put a storage box in between here. That might have been wise, so that it could fill up on it. I think that would have been wise. You know what? Let's do it. So, do we have a storage box? We do. So we'll stick a storage box there. Then we'll stick you 3. Where will you go? We'll go there. Alright, we'll go there. And we are out of power. Dang it. Can I get some by just standing still? I think I can. Doesn't seem like it though. I hope I can get over to this coal to just grab some. I really, really do. And this sucks. Yeah, we're running through the water. Alright. Let's see. Hey, we got some coal. Alright. That's filling us up a bit. I forgot to stick my miner down, didn't I? I wanted to stick the miner down specifically for having a coal storage. So let's do that now. Where do we want it? It looks good. Okay. And then we have a storage box there. And let's go out that way. And we can stick a sorter in there. And then some power. I wonder if we can get power all the way over here. I'm kind of doubting it. We probably can. Come on. There we go. But we're out of power ourselves again. Already. Let's see. Stick you in there. Oh, coal. Need that coal going. Okay. There we go. You are now mining. And it's going in there. Good. And we can just grab that 50. Alright. That is much better. We have a lot more power now. A lot more power. Which makes me very happy. Okay. So we need a sorter, one there. What? What the heck? Yeah, I want to go from there to there. Thank you. And you are researching. Okay, that's better. We did research the electromagnetic drive. Let's take a look at this. That takes electro motor. So this will increase our mech moving speed, which I kind of like the sound of. So I think I want to set that up. So that takes electromagnetic drives or coils. It takes gears and it takes plates. Wow, we already searched something again, didn't we? Let's see, steel smelting. Let's activate that. Alright, electromagnetic coils we have there. Wow, we're running out of power again, man. That's not good. Let's produce you. Let's get some of you in here. Too close. Come on. We have more. We have 2 more. Alright. That's a mess. That is a mess. And right in the way of our bus, but we have 9 megawatts of capacity now, so that's kind of good. We have oil right there, also right in the way. Man, we are cramped for space. I suppose we can build down that way as well. But we're not really cramped for space because the belts can cross over the water, so it's not that big a deal, really, but it is to me. Alright. So, what I really want to do is I actually want to set up belt production, which is gears and ingots. Gears and ingots. That should not be too hard now, should it? So if we put gears down here, and then run them up a bit. Alright, we have steel smelting. And then run the slate up a bit. Then that should be all good. And I suppose the sorter Mark II is twice as fast, right? So why not use that? Look at it go! Nice. Okay, so then if we stick a couple in here, and I want to make conveyor belts. Actually, you know what? I don't need a second one. Let's just pull you back a bit, just for good measure. Ah. There, and we will run you in there, run you in there. That'll get you going. Then you need a storage container, which I don't have. So let's make some. Let's produce 5 of them. They take stone, which we haven't hooked into yet. We have not hooked into stone yet. So let's see. There's one. Let's just stick you down there. And a conveyor Mark 1. Now what do the conveyor Mark 2s take to make? They take conveyor Mark 1s. And a motor. Okay. Okay. This gets interesting fast. Man. Our base is a pretty neat mess of spaghetti. Well, not that much spaghetti, but... well, I suppose a neat mess of spaghetti is actually the right way to describe it. I'm thinking that we're not thinking big enough. Well, I'm not thinking big enough. I don't think I'm thinking big enough. Need to think bigger. I think. But we are making conveyors now, which is nice. Let's just grab the ones that are there. And what's next? What is next? We're making that, we're making that, we're making that, we're making that. We're making those, we're making those. So I guess the next thing is actually electric motors. And for that we need some more of these bad boys. And we have storage. I think that's all we need really. So electric motors, let's just stick an electric motor maker in there. Actually no, let's stick an electric motor maker in here, because we can just run this up. We can run this up. We can run this up. It all needs to go up anyway. You need to make electric motors. Which we need the coils for as well. So how do we get those up there? I suppose if we dismantle this, then we can run this up this way. Okay. Then we can dismantle this a bit. And come down this way maybe? Or come up this way, I think. No, 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 no. I don't want to build that. Yeah, come up that way. So there. Come down. Like that. I need some more conveyors. And I'll grab you. Just to get you out of there. And we will stick these three in here. What? Don't I have one more? Yeah, I do. Okay, you make those. You're already set to make them, good. And you research. And let's choose a research. Thermal power. That sounds like a good thing to get. Why are the others not going? Lack of matrices. Okay. Can I stick a storage down? Grab power again. God damn it. Come on. I want to get up there. Man, you run slow when you run out of power. That really sucks. That really, really sucks. There we go. Let's grab 300. And stick all of you in there. That should help some. Okay. That's much better. I don't remember what I was doing though, as it usually goes. Alright, thermal power, what is done? Let's do an upgrade of the mecha core. We have some of the materials that we need, but we can quickly get the rest just by grabbing it here. Okay. That means you're not going right now. Alright, I wanted you to go in there. Actually, I want to dismantle you. I want to dismantle you. I want the box in here with the... too close. Dang it. Alright. Like that. And then these three bad boys. There. And a sorter there. Alright, mecha core level. Plus 40 megajoules of max core energy. Very good. Stick those in there. What's the next research item? Mechanical frame? No. Mecha core 2. We need energy matrices for that. Okay. Okay, so I guess it'll be a tech. Smelting purification? Sure. Oh. There we go. That's just for now. Stick you on there as well. So that'll get them going. Very good. Alright. Then it's these guys. You need... I only have... No, I have sort of like ones there. Which is fine. And then the last one was... Yeah. There. Now you should be producing those. Yes, you are. Very good. Then I wonder, can they be sent out this far? I have no idea. Too far. Nope. 3 is max. Okay, that's good to know. That is good to know. So I don't know that I need them anywhere else right now. So I think for now we'll just stick them in a box. There we go. Okay. Very, very good. Smelting purification research is complete. Alrighty. What's next? Fluid storage encapsulation. Sure. Let's do that. Now, I think we can make, yeah, thermal power station. So the wind turbines produce 300 kilowatts of power. The thermal power stations produce 2.16. 80% energy efficiency. This doesn't have an efficiency because it's wind power, I guess. So what we could do now, if we can make any of these, we can. Let's produce 4 of them. And we'll get some thermal power going. That'll mean that we don't need to have so many wind turbines going, maybe. Which would be kind of nice. That would be kind of nice. Okay. So we have the first ones built. Where are they? There they are. Alright. So let's... Man, this area is really sucky. Let's go over here then.
A thermal power station. Such power facilities need to consume chemical energy fuels. If you want it to generate continuous and stable power,
no fuel.
You need to ensure a sufficient fuel supply at all times.
I understand. So we'll go over to here. Collide with other object. Other object. And then come up this way. That seems reasonable to me. We do need Tesla towers. We'll need more than we have. Okay, can we make some Tesla towers? We most definitely can. Let's get another one. Stick up there. Or something. Okay. Then we need, I think I want the Mach 2s here. Keep hitting the wrong buttons. Sorry about that, guys. It's a new game. I have no idea what I'm doing. Let's just produce the 5 of them. That's not really necessary, is it? Let's do that. And we have sort of Mach 2s. Alright, you go out there. You in there. You in there. And you go in there. Okay. So that gives us 17.6 megawatts of power. That seems really good. That is a lot of power. And we can grab some more coal for ourselves. Alright. Very nice indeed. Very, very nice indeed. So, upgrades. I want to move faster. Activate that. And we'll go grab some of these. And we are now researching that. Excellent. So, this research is for upgrading ourselves so we'll move faster. Which I'm really looking forward to doing. I am really looking forward to doing that. Two stone, woo! Okay. Alright, so where do we build from here? I mean, feel like we landed in a really bad spot. This over here would have been much, much better. Where are we? Oh, there we are. So yeah, I feel like we landed in a really bad spot. There's not really a good amount of land mass to utilize, which annoys me. Alright, but we do have some landmass down here, and we can turn around our belts, I guess, if we want to. We do also have the ability... we can't make concrete yet, or whatever it's called. But we could set up a mine to get some stone going. That's coal. That's stone. We have a mine, right? Yes, we do. So let's go set up a stone mine. It's funny that he has to fly over a little puddle like that. I guess he doesn't like getting his feet wet. Alright! Plus 1 meters a second movement speed. Wow, look at that, man. We're fast now. That is nice. I like moving faster. I really like moving faster. Alright. Let's see. That looks pretty good to me. We'll set up a container storage. Let's set it up there. See how that works. You come out there. And then we need some power. That's a perfect spot for our Tesla tower. There we go. Okay, so that is stone coming in. Very good. We have tons of coal left on us, so that is nice. Alright, so we want to set up some more production, don't we? I mean, energetic graphite, what's that? Material, fuel. Purify raw coal to obtain graphite, a more usable form of carbon. You can further compact graphite to create crystal diamonds that have more advanced applications. Cool. And we have stone, glass. We haven't needed glass for anything yet. Electric motors we're making. Silicon. We can make silicon from stone. We make glass from stone as well. Okay. I thought glass was made from silicon. Huh. Alright, well. Let's take a look at techs. Inventory capacity. Steel. Steel smelting might be a good idea. Ooh. Data volume. Able to view the vein reserves in the whole planetary system. That sounds cool. That sounds cool. What's this? Prism, plasma exciter, and wireless power tower. Remote transmission facility can consume electricity from the power grid to charge the mecha. Ooh. Ooh. That sounds good. That sounds really good. Alright, well. So let's set up stone. We need smelters for that. Do we have any smelters? We have 3. Let's make some more. I can't. I am missing iron ingots. Let's just go grab some. Right here. Wow. Ooh, we are not producing enough iron ingots. We are not producing enough iron. Okay. Okay. I don't have time for that right now. Let's do that. And we can just have you go right into there. And you need power. Well, of course you do. Okay. That's some more iron coming out. Good. I wonder if it's enough. Doesn't look like it, does it? Even though the belt is packed. It should be enough, because these produce once a second. It should be enough. Should be enough. Alright. So, what were we making? We were making these guys. Let's see. We don't have anything backed up. That kind of sucks. I kind of want them to be backed up a little bit. They will now. Because I didn't stick them in. I didn't stick them in storage. And we want smelters. 3 more should be enough, right? So yeah, let me know what you think of the game. I think it seems really, really interesting. As in really, really interesting. I think it looks good. I think it plays really well and has some interesting production chains. I think it seems really awesome. So we want smelters, smelters there, and we can build 1, 2, 3. Let's just build 3 for now. Get some of these going. We want you to make stone, stone, stone. And you can't be there. We need you to move just a little bit, like that. That'll do. And then we want belts. Belts. Like that. Actually, a little bit further. Let's just do like that. And we want a storage container. And then we want... Actually, you can go directly in there. We want you, you. Alright. That works for me. That works for me. So now we have stone coming in. And what else? Plasma extract refinery. Oil extractor? When plasma is used to extract oil from the crude oil seep, the extraction speed will be different for different crude oil seep. Okay. And then we have an oil refinery and a recipe plasma refining. Okay. Well, I suppose we'll activate that. And then I guess we can do our own upgrading as well. But we need steel for that. Mecha core. We need something else from that. Drive engine. We need coal and magnetic coils. Okay. Unlock mecha flight. Oh. Drone engine plus 1 meter a second construction drone flight speed. Alright, we'll queue that. Communication control plus 1 construction drones. Let's unqueue that. Alright, so we have a few different researches or technologies queued up. Good. And we have tons of coal in our mecha still. Outstanding. So what's next? What is next? I'm not actually sure, really. I suppose we should set up some silicon ore. Or some glass. Yeah, let's work a bit on the stone over here. Let's work a bit on the stone. Where do we have that there? I think that is a good idea. We might need to produce more. We might need to set up another miner, but that's okay. We can do that. Where can I build anything? There's some more copper over here. I guess we'll go that way. And I need to go get some belts. Let's make some of those belts. Let's grab some belts. Yeah. Ooh, storage. We need to make some storage. Which we can't. We need iron ingots. Let's go grab some iron ingots. If you can hear my cat having a ball with her toy in the background, I do apologize. But she is having a lot of fun right now. Right? Yeah. You are having a lot of fun. Yeah. Alright. So get going, drones. We are researching the electromagnetic matrix. Wait, no, we're not searching the electromagnetic matrix. We are researching. What are we researching? I think it's drone speed. Yeah, this is drone speed, and then it's drone count afterwards. Okay. So let's see. We want glass. Glass is what we want. And for glass, we just need stone. So, and is that made in a smelter? Yeah, smelter. Okay. Well, first of all, we need more stone. We need more stone going, and we do have another drill, don't we? No, we don't. Let's make a few more drills. Let's just do 2. Don't need that many. Okay. Okay. Plus 1 meter a second construction drone flight speed. I like it. I like it a lot. And this can actually go in there. And then we can pull you out this way and that way. Okay. Now, is there a reason to store all this stone up? I guess there isn't really. So, let's just do that. And do that. Oh. Can't you go in there? Yes, you can. There we go. Plus 1 construction drone. This should definitely be enough stone. It's basically because this thing was stealing all of it. And that's okay. Alright, so we have our stone. Now, smelters. We have 3 smelters. And we can stick that in there. And then we can tell you to make glass. 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 And we need power. Okay. There we go. Let's see how power is doing. Ah, we still have plenty. And we can actually, because I noticed that we have an extra of these guys. So we can stick you in there. No, not in there. Is it like that? Yeah, like that. Run this up a bit. And get one of these going in there. And that's even more power. Very nice. Notice how they hook together. So I wonder if you can have liquids later. I mean, I know there's oil, but I don't know if we can get it in a liquid form where it goes into a refinery or something. All right. That is true, Frostwind. They do. They do. Alright, so let's see. We need a storage container. And I think we'll stick it there. Then you come out there. You can't go over there, no. That's unfortunate. But we can just do this. And then we can say you to you. No, that's not what I wanted to do. Logistics, you, not all the way over there. Dang it. I built them a little bit too close, I guess. Let's just dismantle it. Alright. do that. And let's do that. And then you go there. You go there. You go there. You go there. Alright. That's glass coming in. And a lot of it. A lot of glass. Okay. So we have glass. And we have stone bricks. Just stone. And a lot of those. So that's nice. Okay. Then, what's the deal? What is the deal? Steel? Have we researched steel yet? I don't think we have. We do have steel smelting. So let's find out what we need for that. Accelerant Mark 1. Coming soon, okay. Environment modification, activate that because that is foundations, so we can build all over that water that we can't use for anything. That'll be nice. Alright, let's see, what do we need for steel? Where's steel? There. We need only iron. All we need is iron for steel. Okay. So we have more iron here. So let's tap into another iron patch and get some steel going. We have iron there, we have iron there. This one looks like it can get a lot if we can get it in there somehow. Do we have any miners on us? We do. Not really. I suppose that's pretty good. Let's do that. Alright. So that's iron. Then we need to smelt it. Now, I am considering... we actually have enough iron. I mean, we're not using it fast enough, are we? So... if we just ran this out like this, maybe moved some of these turbines, then we could get some iron going here. Or some steel going here, sorry. So, steel is made in a smelter, I guess. Yes. So we need some more smelters. And we can make some. Let's just build 5 and have them. Okay, and then I think let's try and get rid of some of all these copper ingots that we have lying around, because we don't need them for anything, and they're taking up space that we don't need them to take up. We still have enough power. We have even more than before, even though that we took down those 4. So that's nice. So let's 1, 2, 3, 4 smelters. How long does it take to smelt this? 3 seconds. This takes 1 second. So we should be okay, God willing. Okay. We need some more. Need some more U. Sort them up 2s. We need need some more sorter Mark IIs. Okay. So, and of course we need a Tesla tower. There we go. And you need to make steel. 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 There we go. And insert. And there we have it. We are making steel as well. Wonderful. Now, we haven't used splitters or anything yet, which I kind of would like to do, to be honest. Just to see how efficient they are, if nothing else. And now the iron is running out, which is understandable. Still annoying. Understandable, but annoying. But what we can do is grab this iron and smelt it. And it doesn't seem like it's backing up too much here, so I think we need to set up another 6 smelters for iron ore. Smelter. We have 1, so we need to make 5. And then we'll get it going in somewhere like here. I think, yeah. Why not? Why not? Environment modification, nice. What's next? Crystal smelting, we can't do that yet. Solar collection. Solar collection we can do. Let's research that. We have our automated research, so no point in not doing it. We now have our smelters here. So let's set them up. Up there. 4, 5, and 6. Conveyors. Will that work? It will actually. Nice. Okay. And you, of course, need to be high purity silicon. No, you need to be just regular old iron ingots. Regular old iron ingots. And we want to build some Tesla towers. Let's build 10 of those. Can we build some of these? We can. We can. Let's build 3 of those. Those seem interesting. Because those were the wireless Tesla things. So if we... that's a stupid spot.
You built a wireless power tower. which is suitable with long-distance power transmission caused by its longer connection distance. What's exciting is that it can also charge mecha by using electricity from the grid.
That is very exciting. That's the whole purpose of building it. Right, so that'll charge me. Very nice. Alright, solar collection we have now.
The data shows this is a planet without natural silicone veins. However, you can still obtain some by smelting stone ore. While you still need a massive silicone collection, you need to find a planet rich with silicone veins as soon as possible.
Okay. So that would be an upgrade. That is the... Is that the drive engine? Unlock mecha flight? No. Oh, it was this one, universe exploration. 200 electromagnetic. Able to view the vein reserves in the whole planetary system. Let's begin that. I can't. Why can't I begin that? I want to research that. Activate. Oh, do I have to research all of these to get to there? That might be. Vertical construction, drive, and then we can do that one. Let's activate that. Does anyone know, do I need to unlock everything in Tier 1 to unlock Tier 2? Maybe? Wow, you don't have any... You're not getting any ore down there. Huh. Okay. Oh, we have another miner, don't we? Nope. Just want to make one. And I need those, of course. Of course. Alright, well, let's grab some of you. And what did I need for it? I just want the mine, really. So, let's see. Where's the mine? There it is. It doesn't really matter to me if it's super efficient. That'll do. Okay. Question is, will it ever... No, it won't. Because we're utilizing it super efficiently. So... it'll never get there. Can we turn off a smelter? I suppose we can. Let's turn you off for now. That'll get some going down there. It'll also, however, deplete it here. So we need this going. And we need... Actually, we don't need it going that far. We need it going... let's just get it going like that. That'll start us getting steel. This is a hot mess of a base, man. A hot mess of a base. But I feel like I mean I've gotten a lot further than I did when I was testing it out. So I feel like I have a better grip on things now. I have a better understanding of why things happen and what they're for and stuff like that. But you need iron ore. Oh, I haven't set up. Okay, fair enough. It's fair enough that you can't make it without the iron ore in, but I'll give you that. There we go. And there we get some iron plates or iron ingots. I am gonna keep calling it plates, I think, because that's what it's called in Factorio, which I do play a lot. Alright, so we have steel now. Silicon. Stone into silicon. Suppose is something we should do. I suppose that is something that we should do. So can we do that just up here? That's smelters as well. So smelter, can we build some of those? Let's just build 3 of them. But is it... which kind of stone is it? It is raw stone. So we don't need this kind, we need this kind. Which is fine because it's coming all the way over here. So we can do smelter. Let's do... man, all these micro islands that we have, I feel like we've been screwed a little bit over with this. Alright, you make silicon, 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 and come over there, and we need more of these bad boys. Okay, you go in there, you go in there, you go in there, and come out again. And we're out for now. But we do have Tesla towers, right? Yes, we do. And do we have more? Should have more now, yep. There we go. Okay. So silicon is going. I suppose we should stick it in a box. Yeah, let's stick it in a box. Okay. So we are getting raw materials. we are getting raw materials. But we are also running out of time for the stream. We are also running out of time for the stream. So we might have to pick up again later. Well, this was a let's try stream, right? So let's try it out, see what it is. And I think it seems really cool, and I am definitely going to do a full let's play on this. There's absolutely no doubt about it. The question is, will I continue on this one, or will I start over now that I feel that I have a better understanding of what's going on? And to be honest, I don't know. I don't know. It could go either way, really. Could go either way. But we'll see. But we are out of time for today. So, yeah. Thank you so much for joining the stream, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're excited about Dyson Sphere Program. I certainly am. It seems so cool, and I can't wait to dive into it even more. So, so yeah, thank you so much for coming and checking it out. And I'll see you in, well, Space Engineers or Dyson Sphere Program or an 1800 or Factorio with SD Hedgehog, whatever it'll be. So yeah, see you next time, guys.